Welcome to Lexington, South Carolina. This is one of our larger manufacturing facilities for the Cleco brand, and it's also our headquarters for Cleco. Within this facility, we manufacture a lot of our high-end pneumatic products, but also our high-end DC electric products like Neotech. Globally, Lexington fits into the manufacturing landscape as one of three of our larger production facilities. The Lexington facility also makes components that feed other Cleco facilities. As an example, our facility in Westhausen, Germany, or our facility in Suzhou, China. All three of our factories are intertwined, not only doing final assembly, but also producing components for one another to support the global Cleco sales footprint. So the Lexington facility is key not only to Cleco, but also to Apex Tool Group, as we also manufacture some of our hand tool products in this facility. The most exciting thing about Cleco is truly a global brand. Our tools are being used around the clock, around the globe. And so in order to make the right tool for the right job, we have people located around the globe so that we're getting feedback not only from manufacturers that might be domestic to the US, but also assembly plants in Turkey and assembly plants in China, South Korea, to ensure that our global products are satisfying the needs of our global customer base. So what really separates the Cleco brand apart from other power tool manufacturers is our tie-in with the assembly line. We like to say tame the line because every day we're working shoulder to shoulder with our customers to satisfy requirements on an assembly line. So continuous production, very high throughput, and so that's where our tools are designed. And we leverage all the knowledge that we can internally, but we also leverage partners like Milwaukee, where we leverage their battery. The world's best battery manufacturer aligned with Cleco tools. And so our focus really is in that production environment and where our tools differentiate and really show their value as in environments where they're going to be used continuously and also in a very demanding application.